guys, I am Pooja and today I'll be doing a Huda beauty haul. So in one of my previous videos, I already mentioned that I'm not spending too much here in India on any of the websites on makeup because I wanted to get my hands on some of the Huda beauty products. So अगर आप मुझे बहुत टाइम से फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, then I'm pretty sure आपको नहीं पता होगा कि Huda beauty is one of my most favorite brands. I think उनके जो products होते हैं, they are, I won't say they are worth the money, but I can understand why they are priced so high. So मैं हर साल कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं एक दो अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स Huda Beauty से पिक कर लूँ ड्यूरिंग द ब्लैक फ्राइडे सेल्स, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे ऑफर्स आर जस्ट फैबुलस और मैं उस टाइम पे प्रोडक्ट्स ले लेती हूँ और उसको फिर पूरे साल या आने वाले सालों में यूज़ करती रहती हूँ. 2-3 साल पहले आई थिंक एक वीडियो है जिसमें मैंने दिखाया है कि मैंने क्या क्या Huda Beauty प्रोडक्ट्स लिए हैं. एंड इस साल ऑल्सो आई हैव अ फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. ऑफकोर्स मैंने बहुत कुछ तो नहीं लिया है बिकॉज दैट डैम एक्सपेंसिव, बट मैंने कुछ 4-5 चीज़ें ली हैं एंड आई थॉट आई विल शो यू व्हाट दे आर, एंड if I have already used it, I'll share my opinions as well. So let's get started. Alright, so these are all the products which I've got. और इस बार जैसा कि मैंने बोला है in 2021 और actually 2020 में भी, my major focus is on skin care. My skin has improved quite a lot, although इस टाइम पे ये सही टाइम नहीं है बोलने का because already 2 bumps आए हुए हैं. This I think is just because of PMS, but otherwise my skin has really come a long way. I used to have a lot of acne. Now skincare excites me much more as compared to makeup. And इस बार भी जो मैंने प्रोडक्ट जिसके कारण ये सारे परचेजेस हुए हैं वो था उनका न्यू विशफुल के प्रोडक्ट्स which I really wanted to try. So I think I'll start with that and then we'll move towards makeup. So the most exciting product जिसके कारण मैंने परचेज किया है वो है ये. It is the Wishful Get Even Rose Oil and I have been using this I would say for almost 20 days now and it is an amazing oil. The packaging as you can see is a simple box. It's very muted and sober and subtle, and inside there is the oil. I'm going to show you how it looks like. The oil as you can see it looks a little dirty because मैं इसको almost 20-25 दिन से इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ तो उसके ऊपर थोड़ा random चीज़ लगे. Cannot help it at all, but this is a gorgeous bottle, very heavy. I can see कि पैकेजिंग में काफ़ी थॉट डाला गया है. So it's a really nice bottle. और ये ऊपर है एक ड्रॉपर को नॉर्मल ड्रॉपर नहीं है, आप उसको बस ऐसे you know if you push it like this it picks up the oil, and here is the oil. It's this gorgeous gold colored oil, and it works fabulously. Smells kind of okay, a little bit of rose, and I would say कि ये वो वाली fake rose fragrance नहीं है. So it's not out there rose, but it smells kind of okay. Bottle पे लिखा है कि इसको दिन में I think 2 बार या 1 बार लगाना चाहिए. This is the second last step just before your moisturizer. So of course I cleanse my face, I put on my toner, I use my aloe vera gel serum, then I use this, and on top of this I use my whatever face moisturizer I'm using. I like to do it at night. It is damn expensive, so मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि दिन में 1 बार यूज़ करूँ. मॉर्निंग में मैं अपना प्लम का या कोई और फेशियल ऑयल या अच्छा हैवी सीरम यूज़ कर लेती हूँ. So this is quite expensive. I would say ये around 6-7,000 rupees का है. So I'm going to read out what the packaging says. It says it's simple, gentle and effective. It has rose, carrot seeds, rosehip and a baobab. I'm not sure what that is. And it locks in moisture, it nourishes skin, it smoothens and evens out skin tone. So as I was saying that मैं इसको कुछ टाइम से यूज़ कर रही हूँ. Few things that I like to mention is कि जब भी आप इसको लगाएं आपकी स्किन बहुत सॉफ्ट एंड प्लम्प फील होती है. इट डजंट लुक ऑयली ऑन द सर्फेस. ऑनेस्टली 2 मिनट लगते हैं ऑयल को ऑब्जर्व होने में. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने लगाया और मैजिकली डिसअपियर हो गया, बट ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी स्किन इज लाइक ग्लोइंग फ्रॉम विद इन वाली एक फीलिंग नहीं आती, जो बस जस्ट इट्स लुकिंग वेरी हेल्दी. So that is the kind of feeling you get when you use this particular product. And exact जो price जिसमें मुझे मिला है वो मैं यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे डाल दूंगी. I think it was on a good 30% off, which is amazing for any Huda Beauty or Wishful product. So I grabbed it. So this is the first product that I got. I have only good things to say about it as yet. I will be using it I think for another 10-15 दिन, and then I might just post a review on my beauty blog. I am not sure if you guys know I have one beauty blog which is called as Indian Beauty Diary. I will write the spellings right here so that you can check it out. So uspe I will post a review of the Wishful Rose Oil and you can read about it there. The next product is one of the Christmas hampers. Huda Beauty has the cutest Christmas hampers. Honestly, सब brands के बहुत ही cute होते हैं, but this one was really cost effective. So इसके अंदर 3 products हैं. It has Yoglo. मैंने सोचा कि Yoglo एक full size लेने से पहले I must try it. So एक Yoglo है. This has honey balm and this has the same oil again in a smaller form. So this is the pack. Let me just open it for you guys and I'll show you what all it has. So there are 1, 2 and 3. Here's the third product. Let me just open it one by one. Okay, first one is this cute little bottle of their oil. It is very cute. It is how much? It is 10 ml and I think it's quite nice, especially when you're traveling. And इसके अंदर वो normal वाला dropper है जो कि generally हर चीज़ में होता है. And yeah, so this one is the first product from the Bright kit. Second one is this. I think it's Yoglo. So this is Yoglo and I am so excited to try it. मैं बस ये video film करने के लिए wait कर रही थी and now I'm going to try it and I think I am going to make a reel of it. So अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं इस product को action में, then you can check it on my Instagram, which is poojamittal09, and also I'll try and post a few clips here as well so that you know how this works and what is the texture of this product. I've heard really good things about Wishful. Also, I think it is very important that we guys understand that scrubbing skin is essential. अगर आप physical scrubs नहीं use करना चाह रहे तो something like this is really good. I think Innisfree का भी एक wine scrub है, वो भी मैंने try किया, which was okay. तभी मैंने ये बहुत बड़ा वाला नहीं मंगाया. If this works for me, then I am going to get a full size product. So I'm really excited to try this. Next is this, I think it's honey balm. So yes, it's honey balm. Here it is. It is lavender, honey, niacinamide and turmeric. Niacinamide एक नया ingredient, मतलब मेरे लिए तो नया है, मैंने सुना है, is very good for skin. Again, it locks in moisture. So yeah, let me just open and smell it. This is how it looks. Very nice and whipped. And it does not smell. It has a very mild lavender smell. Nice. So good thing about Wishful is कि इसकी किसी भी product में बहुत ज़्यादा fragrance नहीं है. If you guys are still using products with a lot of fragrance in it, then please avoid, because fragrance kill के लिए बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं होती. So yeah. So this is the third product. I am going to leave the price here so that you know. But ये भी मुझे काफ़ी अच्छी deal में मिला था, because you know I am a sucker for deals. So जब भी मुझे कुछ चाहिए होता है मैं हमेशा make sure करती हूँ इस चीज़ की price पे नज़र रखूँ, जैसे कोई sale लगती है I grab it. So that is exactly what I did here. So Wishful has kindly given me a sample of their honey balm. This is the sample. Of course I haven't tried it yet, but I think वो वाला honey balm खोलने से पहले I'm going to try this and let's see how this goes. Moving on, there is a product which is from their makeup collection, the Huda Beauty collection. It's more of a skincare only. It is this. It is the Kiss limited edition silk balms, which is hydrating and plumping lip balms, and they came in this nice, basically a Christmas ornament kind of packaging, and we are going to open it and see how they work. So ये product भी मैंने बहुत अच्छी reviews पढ़ी हैं इनकी. People are saying that they are fabulous, they are super moisturizing, and a lot of people are requesting that they should bring it permanently. So let's see. Ooh. So here are both the balms. Okay, so दोनों में फ़र्क है कि one is called Spice and one is called Sugar. Sugar of course is a little pinkier tone and Spice is a little browny kind of a tone. Let's just swatch them, because of course we have to swatch everything, right? So here is their doe foot applicator, and they feel so soft. They feel really nice and soft. This glowing thing right here is the product, but the only thing is that they have a lot of glitter. So let's see how this goes. It almost looks like their what's it called, their strobes. So but I think they'll be more moisturizing. Let's see how they work for me on the lips. So now we're going to swatch Spice. This one clearly is golden. Yes, it is kind of golden. Spice, and this one is sugar. They are pretty thick. So let's see how this goes. So I have a ritual every single year. I buy at least one Huda Beauty palette in sale. Nykaa पे generally कुछ palettes 40-50% off में भी लगे होते हैं. Last time I got myself their rose gold remastered palette, and this time also I was thinking I have to get something. But Nykaa ने ना ये nude palette sale पे नहीं डाला हुआ था, and that is the only palette that I wanted. So मैंने सारा सामान दुबई से ऑर्डर किया. I'm not sure मैंने तो mention किया कि नहीं, but this all is from Dubai because वहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छी deals थी. सो मैंने वहीं से ऑर्डर कर लिया उनकी अपनी वेबसाइट से. सो हुडा ब्यूटी ने अपनी वेबसाइट पे अपने न्यूड पैलेट पे भी सेल लगाई हुई थी. आई थिंक इट वाज 40% ऑफ एंड आई ग्रैब्ड इट. सो दिस इज द गॉर्जियस पैलेट एंड वी विल ओपन इट टुगेदर. Gorgeous. Let's open it. Fab. So I'm a fan of Huda Beauty products. I am wearing their lip product. I think it's Trendsetter on my lips today. I always use something from Huda Beauty, and उनके palettes तो मेरे बहुत ही favorite हैं. But this one is gorgeous. The colors are gorgeous. They're beautiful. You can actually wear them every single day. Everything here is usable. अगर आपको सिर्फ ये palette भी लेके जाना होगा, I think you can just get a lot of looks out of this. I am really thankful for this big ass mirror because you always need a mirror when you're doing your makeup, so that is great as well. I am so excited to start using this product. ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने बंद करके रखी हुई थी because I wanted to shoot this video. So आज ये shoot करने के बाद I think I'm gonna play with makeup and I'm super excited. Look at these glitters, guys. They are so gorgeous. Love them. Yes. So that is that. And I think अब last product रह गया, which is kind of an experimental. I used to wear a lot of colored eyeshadow. तब भी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा spend नहीं करती थी आई shadows पे because I just hate wasting money. I used to buy sleek and stuff जिसमें बहुत सारी colors हो. But this time I thought I should go a little out of my comfort zone. तो इस बार मैंने ये smaller palettes में से Purple Haze मंगाया Obsessions में से. बाय द वे बहुत बार होता है कि ब्रांड्स में जो छोटे पैलेट्स हैं उसकी क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं होती, बट हुडा ब्यूटी का क्वालिटी इज कंसिस्टेंट. आई हैव अ फ्यू स्मॉलर पैलेट्स एज वेल एंड दे आर एज गुड एज द बिगर वंस. So yeah, let's see how the Purple Haze palette is. Firstly, it's so pretty, yeah. She spends so much time and effort on this, so it's gorgeous. Let's open it. Ooh, see. So my reason of getting this purple one was कि ये फिर भी सब में से मुझे काफ़ी ऐसा लगा जिसको मैं अपने लुक्स में इंक्लूड कर सकती हूँ. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस कलर. ये भी आई थिंक इज़ अ वेरी वेरेबल कलर एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू एक्सपेरिमेंट विद दीज कलर्स. एज यू कैन सी आई लव पर्पल एंड आई थिंक पर्पल्स एंड बर्गंडीज लुक रियली नाइस इन विंटर एंड आप इनको समर्स में भी काफ़ी अच्छे से यूज़ कर सकते हैं blended out. So I'm really excited to try this particular palette out as well. Another great thing about these smaller palettes from Huda is that they are great to travel with. I always carry a smaller palette with me. इनके पास काफ़ी अच्छा बड़ा मिरर भी है तो आप आराम से अपना मेकअप कर सकते हैं. And yeah, so that is it. Alright guys, this is it for today's haul. I know it was not as big, but I'm trying really hard not to waste my money, not to spend my money on random things. So these are things I know I will use quite a lot. If you are excited for any of these products और आपको किसी का भी individual review या looks देखनी हो या reels देखनी हो, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to do it. Also guys, please like my video, leave a comment and follow. It will really mean the world to me. I know I have come on and off on YouTube और मैं हर बार बोलती हूँ I'll be regular and then I am just gone, but this time I am actually trying really hard to create some great content here. So please follow me, it will mean the world to me if you subscribe, like and comment, and I think I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.